Thank you for doing the interview with us, Mr. Dongyuan Zhang.
Thank you for having me.
Firstly, congratulations to you for becoming the champion at Trading Cup Stage 6 trading competition. How long you been trading?
I have been trading Forex for 6 or 7 years. I have been trading with ACY for a long time.
How long you have been trading with ACY?
I have been trading with ACY for nearly 5 years, since 2015.
What do you think of ACY Securities as a broker? Are you happy with the service that we provide? As a loyal client, would you like to share with us about your experiences of trading with ACY?
I think ACY has upgraded in many aspects throughout the years that I have been trading, in terms of reducing costs, technology, trading conditions, and services. I am happy with the services that ACY provided, particularly the way how ACY processes depositing and withdrawing are fast and safe, which is very convenient for me.
My second question is that what made you interested in trading?
I started to trade since 2007. I started to trade stocks in 2008.
It has been 12 years since you started trading.
Yes, and I also started to trade gold and silver later on. I also began to trade forex and oil.
Based on your trading experiences, what do you think is might be the factor or factors that can lead to a success?
I think having a good mindset is very important. Also, I think luck should also be taken into consideration as well. If we looked at the traders' performances from Trading Cup competition stage 1 to stage 5, many of them performed brilliantly and have had unbelievably high return rates. The reason why I chose to enroll at stage 6 was just to give a shot without caring too much about the end result. I've been participating since the first Trading Cup competition, and I also went into the grand final nights in 2018 at Shanghai and in 2019 at Macau.
So you have been to both grand final nights. That is awesome.
Yes, I did, and the reason why I entered was just to give it a shot. And I did not check the leaderboard in the first half of the month because I decided to focus on trading and not to let the results affect my trading strategies. Only a few days left before stage 6 finishes, I went to check the results and saw my name on the leaderboard. I also saw another trader's return rate was very close to me, but unfortunately that trader did not manage to keep it until the competition finishes, which I feel quite fortunate.
I think timing and when to enter the competition is also part of the strategies. I think you did a great job at stage 6 competition.
I think Trading Cup competition enables me to see how other traders' performances and provides a platform for our traders to exchange ideas and learn from each other. Also, if you have been following our Trading Cup blog, we have been posting the latest news and trading performances, trading strategies, and trading styles in our blog, and hope that we can provide as much insights as possible for all traders to exchange ideas and learn from each other.
Compared to 100,000 capital and $1 million capital, how much do you think you will invest respectively? And would you adjust your trading strategies based on how much you invest in?
Regardless, it is 100,000 or $1 million. I would put 60 to 70% into investment and save the rest.
What about trading strategies? Would you adjust your trading strategies based on how much you invest in?
Of course, I would trade more aggressively if the amount of investment is what I consider low, while if the investment is considerable, I will focus on managing my risks. Look, one trading strategy that I apply is to go with the trend with small positions. For example, I expected gold to drop. In other words, I think gold price movement will show a downtrend. So in the competition, I took short positions, but each position was small.
Apart from gold that you just mentioned, did you trade any other trading instruments?
Yes, I also traded the USD CHF and the USD JPY, but compared to gold, their return rates were not good enough for the trading competition, so I mainly focused on trading gold.
So you mainly traded gold.
Yes, I did, and the other reason was that I think gold price movement was easier than the forexes to predict. After all, we only have 1 month to trade in the competition, and I think gold can offer more trading opportunities. Thus, I decided to focus on gold.
You mentioned that you think gold shows a downtrend. My question is, what made you think of that? Did you use fundamental or technical analysis to predict the movements?
Sure, I would love to share. I think for me, it is more about experiences. When I say experience, I mean the amount of time that I spent watching charts and using candlesticks. There was not much big movements for gold price, which made me think that the risk of selling gold is much smaller than the risk of buying it. Since gold price hit 1940, I started to short gold. However, I only opened small positions because gold price is much more fluctuated compared to a few years back.
Apart from technical analysis, did you apply fundamental analysis as well?
Yes, I do consider fundamental analysis, but we cannot predict the big news. For example, the gold price could rise or drop significantly due to breaking news, but this is something that we cannot predict. Other than that, I think charts is a good way to help me predict the next movement of gold. After many years of trading, I am confident to trust my own judgments after reading the charts using candlesticks. I rely on my own trading experiences.
Apart from using candlesticks, do you use any indicators?
I use Bollinger Bands sometimes.
My next question is that do you use any software or devices that can help with your trading?
I just use the MT4 trading platform.
Apart from the trading strategy that you just mentioned, which was going with the trend and opening small positions, any other strategies you also use?
I mainly use the strategy that I just mentioned. Other than that, not much I can recall. But I might adjust my trading strategies when the price is ranging. I will go both ways, doing short and long. However, when I see a downward or upward trend, I only go with the trend.
When the price is ranging, would you still open small positions or you would trade more aggressively?
I would trade more aggressively.
Would you like to explain the reasons why?
Sure, normally when price is ranging, I normally open positions without setting a stop loss. Reason being, within a short period of time, such as 1 or 2 days, the price might go back up to the same price when I entered the market. In other words, I think when the price is ranging, the risk is lower than when the price is fluctuating. Therefore, I trade more aggressively when the price is ranging.
Would you hold short or long positions at the same time or only hold one before closing it?
I would only hold short positions or only hold long positions at one at a time. For example, before closing my long positions, I would not consider opening new short positions. And before I open a new position, I would use Bollinger Band indicators with 4-hour period to predict the next movement.
My next question is that do you have some books or educational videos that you would recommend to our audiences?
I cannot recall any at the moment. All the books that I read were about teaching me how to trade stocks, but trading stocks and trading forex are very different. I would like to read some books that can help me with my trading.
Our ACY blog update market analysis and educational materials daily. Feel free to have a look at them. Hope it can help you with your trading.
Thank you.
Congratulations to you for gaining the first place at Stage 6 Trading Cup competition and securing a spot at Grand Final night. Have you thought about it? What trading strategies you will use in the final competition?
I think mindset is definitely very important. Also, having a good judgment is also very important because we only have 1 hour in the Grand Final trading competition. I will try my best and to find as much trading opportunities as possible. Also, I think I will have to trade aggressively as well.
My last question is that would you like to give us some feedbacks about 2020 Trading Cup?
Sure, first a big thank you to ACY Securities who provides the platform to traders, including myself, to have the great opportunity to exchange ideas and learn from each other.
Thank you for having an interview with us. We're looking forward to seeing you at the Grand Final night.
Thank you for having me.